Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizoram Education Hub. And with you here, MPSC Sub-Inspector of Excise and Narcotics under Excise and Narcotics Department Nimina in Examar. Metzle a reasoning section came on ka solve don up questions pakhatte tain I will solve and just in ananga diklo in check don ya vain exat ngin score mo tatrangina shia thevekang. And if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please subscribe this channel and video I try and teach on like. So here is the first question. HCF and dia. HCF and HCF and LCM of two numbers and given a 13 and 1989 respectively. If one of the number is 117, the other number product of two number is equals to product of LCM and HCF mantur. So first number 117 and other number x ke assume dona and helamahian product of HCF and LCM 1989. So 117 13 exat zarnge anitrin 13 9 zar anitrin and 9 in cancelila 2 2 1 221 is correct answer, option C. Next, if the product of two fraction is 16 1 by 9 and one of the fraction is 4 2 by 7, other fraction enge aniton. So product of fraction and given product of fraction exat nge 16 1 by 9 and two products and the first fraction 4 2 by 7 and yeah, so other fraction have a value of x you can find out ang idona. So 7 4 is 28 plus 2 30 by 7 into x. Hela Mahian 16 9 is 144 plus 1 145 by 9 and x equals to 145 into 7 by 30 into 9. 5 in cancelila 6 times 5 in cancelila 29 and 29 7s are 3 14 plus 6 20 by 54. 54 4s are telong 3s are exating 162 and 203 162 by 41 abang don 41 by 54. So option D is correct answer. Next question. The product of minus 6 into minus 5 into minus 11. So minus le minus plus and plus le minus negative. So 6 5 is 30 and 30 11 is 330. Minus B is correct answer. Arrange the fraction 3 by 5. Dule method tamlutuka LCM method, difference method, across multiplication method came on. Simply value can put chanchu data here a complex low. 3 by 5 exat 0.6 aniton. 7 by 9 exat nge aniton. 7 by 9 will be 0. Decimal kandanga 7. 8 zar 7 to 2 aniton telo. So 7 zar anitona. 11 by 13 decimal kadachon zale soma nidona and 13 8 zar 104 anidona chumi function 8 enge tamberta hian 11 by 13 tambera chumi 7 by 9 and their smallest will be 3 by 5. Option D is correct because descending order antia. Question number 5. The least number of 6 digits which is a perfect square. So in this case dule long division method pon asol thaya is the hian bar kan cm tree na 3 3s are 9 1 0 0 6 1s are okay 61 0 0 39 61 plus 1 62 6 kan mangchinang 36 3 12 15 137 alatle matro atle ma 7 manangayang item shatur. So tayan 7 kan multiply chinang 49 4 14 18 43. So 4 3 8 9 minus la difference will be how much 9 8 atamatrang in claim pay 4. So hemi 489 hichu omta se perfect square nitur means perfect square ni dona masing om silawa a om lawa wangin kan belangayang hemi nuai khata hian. So 1 lakh plus 489 it will be 100489. LCM of 24, 36 le 60. Engtin nga kanzi ate 2 into 12. Engtin nga kanzi ate 3 into 12. Engtin nga kanzi ate 5 into 12. So 12 common vector out, common kanzi akang. 2 3 is a 6 and 6 5 is a 30. So zathum le somruk. Option A is correct answer. Next question. Subtract minus 29 from minus 53 and add minus 16 to the result. Anichon minus 53 atrangin minus 29 peichu plus 29 anitay hemi result anya. And hemi result ahian minus 16 kan belang. So minus 53 plus 29 minus 16. Belila negative le negative minus 69. Hetahan 29 can belchon minus 40. So option C is correct answer. What is the sum of first 37 odd natural number? First n square hi ni mai. 37 square is how much? 1369. Now question number 9. 89% of question mark plus 365 is equals to 1075.22. Anijon 365 hela mark transfer anga 365. So decimals are 2 dona and 071. So 89 by 100 x equals to 710.22. And I mean 100 kitan multiply chaunga decimal hi baude yang and 89 hi can divide yang 89 in. So cancel 89 5 6 89 6 are 654 5 alatlem shet ani 7 in can try 89 7s are 3 2 and 6. Now 623 and 8 are chutam de dona unzat nga bang don 7 and 8 87 a bang don 7 sevens are 87 to 2 here 89 in can divide ang 9s are so 790 something and on option A is correct. Cube root of minus 64 is minus 4. The price of potato is decreased by 10% if the price of potato was 12 anya present price exact atira 12 anya 10% decrease ila 90 by 100 0 le 0 cancelled and 108 by 10. So 10.8 rupees. Okay, 10.8 rupees. Option C is correct. Divide 990 into 3 parts in such a way that half of the first part A by 2, 1/3 of the second part B by 3, and 1/5 of the third part C by 5 are equal. Are equal and each one A exact ngani don 2k, B exact ngani don 3k, C exact ngani don 5k. So what is the ratio? ABC ratio will become 2:3:5. Now can question he can divide ang aitro. Ani jan first party exact ngani don 2 by 2 plus 3 plus 5 10 into 990 0 le 0 cancel ila 8 and 18 plus 1 9 198 and B exact ngani don B will be 3 by 10 into 990 so 27 29. C exact nge ani don 5 by 10 into 990 5 in cancel 2 and 990 by 2 490 10 abanga 5. So option C is correct. Question number 13. Twice of one number or twice of one number is added to thrice of another number gives 21 and if the difference of the two number is 3 the numbers are antia and each one 2 can multiply patang 2 can multiply me here cancel the yanga and 5y will become 15 y is 3 and immediately first equation akadanga so 2x plus 9 equals to 21 plus 9 hela makanzi h1 it will become 12 and x will be 12 by 2 that is 6. So 6 and 3 is correct answer. A shopkeeper marked the price 10% more than its cost price. If he allows a discount of 20%, find his loss percent. Just consider cost price 100 and yeah, so mark pricing that 10% in an increase. So 110 and it on. Masing selling price will be 20% or 20% discount nuwa. Ashalanga zale som 80% a value nidon. So 88. What is the gap? 12 or 100 minus 88 is the total loss. So 12% is correct answer. In what time will the simple interest be 2 by 5 of principal at 8% per annum? Omzia choose simple interest 2 by 5 niturin 2 by 5 of principal. This is SI. SI formula engeka PRT by 100. So R and given 8 but T and given low. Divided P le P cancel ila 2 in hemi 84 time in cancel ila and 4 in hemi 125 time. Hemi 5 in hemi 25 time. 5 kita vada chavila. So 5 years is correct answer. Now in an examination 50% candidate failed in English and 40% failed in Hindi. So 50 le 40 ganzia kang. And so pangan faila hemi intersection point T can represent 15% both. Candidate who passed in both English and Hindi. Ajan purely fail in English will be how much? 35. Purely fail in Hindi ahian 25. So add vakila engzat nge 35 plus 15 somga and somga plus 25 75. So 75 are failed students candidates and passed in both will be 100 minus 75, that is 25%. Option B is correct answer. Now question number 17. A plot is in the form of square antia. Okay, hemi square angin ngaila. This is a square. And its perimeter is zasomruk. Perimeter zasomruk and just siding zat nganiton. Zasomruk by 4. That is 40 le 40. The cost of laying grass at the rate of 30 rupees per square meter. And each one area grass can padona. Hemi means surface here. So surface means what? Total area. Area is side square. 1600 meter square here. Mokan padon. Per meter square cost is Cheng som thuman 1600 meter square costing zat nganiton 48,000 rupees. So option D is correct answer. Now question number 18. In a group of 35 students, 18 play volleyball. 18 in volleyball and Keltrina, and 13 play badminton. 11 play neither sport. How many play both the games? Okay. And each one for this. Kantile turchu 35 18 in an khel ngai lau tu teng zat nge volleyball hi 35 minus 18 that is 17. Tiambokchon badminton po 13 in an khel ngai lau chu 35 minus 13. It will be how much? 35 for 10 13 pay 22 ania. Aseng and question ahian both play turin total trangin khel ngai lo how kan pay ngai don. So purely who don't play volleyball 17 minus 11 6. Purely who don't play badminton 22 minus 11 that is 11 and khel ngai lo hi 11. 6 plus 11 plus 11 is 28. So 28 in an khel ngai mi lo engman khel lo. Okay, khel ve angka find out turin total trangin 28 can pay de nga. So 7 is correct answer. Question number 19. Smith and Ajit can complete a task in 12 days. Okay, 12 days le 18 uncomplete tanga. So total work will be 36 and efficiency will be 3 and 2. If they work together on the task for 4 days, anijon nikhata 5 unit uncomplete, nili 20 unit uncomplete dona. Fraction of the task that will be left omziachu remaining 36 atrang in 20 uncomplete toa 16 abang and anwaya always total kandatrin. 4 in cancel 4 in cancel 9. So 4 by 9 part is still remaining. Question number 20. A man can do a piece of work in 6 days and which he can complete in 4 days when his friend helps him. Friend helps him through. His friend can complete the work alone in this type of question AB by Anwaya and difference kandatrin. So 6 into 4 by 6 minus 4. 24 by 2 that is 12. So 12 days he correct answer anidona. median and mode for the data. Median and mode hian ama sabera chun increasing order ada ngalila 7 tahian value te ber 2 ania chumizo 7 less 7. Okay, 5 polomani loko 5 ania 7 7 chumizo 8 10 hi 10 pakhat pani pathum or pathum oma chumizo 14 hi mi 14 zawa 17 ania 18 ania 19 20 20 25 yes 25 24 24 po ma 25 po oma 27 po oma 28 le 48 ani he. Okay, ani chon median find out turin data scan englo patang an chiar patang khatni thumli nga ruk sari riat kwa som pani som thum som pali som pa som paru. So total event data are there. Event data divide la 8 kan dong dona. So event case achuan 8 zomi hienge. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So hemita pani kan la kan aidan because total data are even. 10 plus 14 are 24. Hemi twin kan divide nga. So 12 is the median and mode omzechu appear tamber khani mai. So mi voi thumla oma chumi function 12 and 10 is correct answer. Question number 22. The area of rectangle is 1.8 times area of square. So length into breadth and given a 1.8 time area of square is side square entry. Length of rectangle. Length of rectangle is 5 times the breadth. Breadth b and each one length 5 times the breadth anidona. What is the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter find out turin length le breadth kan nei ngai dona masen kan nei silo tatrangin kan find out ang Line 5BC akila and helama 1.8 side of the square and given 20. So 20 square is 400. Decimal da sunila 10 le 10. So 18 into 40 720. And helama 5b square. 5 in cancel za somli pali. So b square kan neito 144. If b square is 144, so b will be square root of 144, that is 12. B kan neito 12. And b12 kan neito length 5 times ania. So 16 iton. Till tan kan dade. So 2, so 72. 144 centimeter is correct answer. Next question. Question number 23. A started a business by investing 25,000 at the end of 4th month from the start of the business. B joined with 15,000 and at the end of 6 months from the start of the business. C joined with 20,000. If A's share in profit at the end of the year was 7750. Total profit received. Find out the So A part will be 25. Klasom pani atane invest in yo. Achan chu detail dang eng man given low question. Chimizoa. At the end of 4th month, B in allow joina. So ani chun 12 minus 4, 8 months atane invest on hemi sinka sangahi. And see here at the end of 6th month from the start, C joined with 20,000. So 12 minus 6, ani in 6 months satan sing ni a invest. Profit ratio find out pot ilahi diyan. Cancel take chu cancel pot lama 5 in 3 in 4 in 4 in la cancel thaya 4 in 2 in 3 in 3 in la cancel thaya 2. So 5 is to 2 is to 2. This is the profit ratio. Now A's share and given 5 by 5 plus 2 plus 2 9 into total is equals to A's share 7750. Hemi 5 in hemi 7750 hi duchona tiyan kan ziak zokang total is equals to 7750 into 9 by 5. Okay, and 5 in and cancel how many times? 1 5 25, so 50, and 1550 into 9 will be 0 45 4 49 4 13. So 13950 is correct answer. 24 apples are divided into two parts in such a way that 7 times the first part is added to 5 times the second part, then their sum becomes 146. Find the first part. So apple of 24 oma first part x and each one, second part engen idon 24 minus x and idon. So one question, 7 times the first is added to 5 times the second, and their sum will become 146. The Tranghian value of x can find out on. So 7x plus 5 into 24 120 minus 5x helama 146. So 7 etc and 5x by 2x and 120 helama 26, and cancel 13 kan on. So option C is correct answer. Question number 25. A person covers a distance of 20 km by bus in 35 minutes. After deboarding the bus, he took rest for 20 minutes and covers another 10 km by a taxi in 20 minutes. Find his average speed for the whole journey. Average speed enge omzia. Total distance by total time. Now total distance engzat 20 plus 20 plus 10 30 kilometer anya, and total time engzat nge 35 minute plus 20 minute plus 20 minute. All the times are in minute. Masing 16 kan divide nga hour kan siya mga, because options are in kilometer per hour. So hemi 60 kita wada chode ila 30 into 60 by som thum pangale 2020 means 75. 15 in cancel 15 4s are 15 5s are, and 5 in cancel 6. So 6 into 4, 24 kilometer per hour. Option D is correct. There are 30 boys and 60 girls in a class. If the average age of boys is 12 years and average age of girls is 10 years, what is the average age of the whole class? Whole class average find out turin total englau boys le an average can multiply nga total girls and unmani average divided by total students. Total students 30 plus girls engzat nga 60. So 13 to 12 316 16 to 10 600 by somkua. So 960 by 90. 0 le 0 cancel ila. Tens are 90. Decimal kanda chun 60. So 6 time and each 54. 10.6 option B hi correct answer anidon. Question number 27. A bag contains 3 red balls, 5 white balls, 7 black balls. Probability that a ball drawn from the bag at random will be neither red nor black. So neither red le black kan lag lo chun white alo chuak the. Chumi wang chun white balls 5 anya, and anwaya all the balls 3 plus 5 plus 7, that is 15. So 1 by 3 will be the probability of getting white balls. Next question. A ladder is placed against a wall such that its foot is at a distance of 6 from the wall and its top reaches a window 8 length of the ladder. 6, 8, 10 triplet. So 10 is correct answer. Okay. If the root of the equation px square plus x plus r is equals to 0 are reciprocal to each other, root engengeni the x and reciprocal to each other, and each one x le 1 by x and idona sum of root engeni chin minus b by a, and product of root engeni chin c by a. Reciprocal to each other and 1 kan, and its product c by a means r by p will be 1, and each one r will be equal to p, or we can say p equals to r. Option A is correct. Question number 30. The coefficient of x square in 2x plus y cube. So 2x plus y cube, he can expand a plus b whole cube. So 8x cube plus 3a square b 3a square b plus 3ab square. So 2x y square plus y cube. X square coefficient antia so tahan x square om lawa hai tapo om lawa hai tapo en om law. Only hemi part ahen x square om. So simplify la 3 into 2 square means 12 ani dona x square y. Emithili tihian kan ziak teya 12y and x square. So x square coefficient will be 12y. Option B is correct answer. Ocean, Pacific, and island. Okay, Pacific is an ocean. Throw name of an ocean. Chutiang bokchon Greenland po island ania. Ireland, Netherlands, Borneo. Borneo, yes, Borneo will be correct answer. This is particularly an island, specifically an island in Shatiam Throw. Greenland po hi island thawne maseng specifically island nilo. Autonomous country ni hi. So option D will be correct answer. Greenland is the largest island, second largest is New Guinea, and third one is Hemi Borneo. Choose the odd one from the given option. CE7, AZ 27, ALZ 1 le 26, tatangina shiat ngala, LAP LM12, OP Somparuk, Belila 28, Emipoi 27 adika, and CE hi engzat nge 3 plus 5 8 or C le J Pathum le Som Pathum Som Pathum le Pariat Adiklo veve ni hi Diklo veve chon hemi hi bonus in dong thai. Okay, bonus in dong thai don. Question number 32 in claim nge don your bonus ani hi because option a answer a omlo. Logic dang po mang maila ALZ 27 anti topochon and LAP 28 antia C le E. Oh, athailo. Logic omlo. Now question number 33. 12, 11, 13, 12, 14, 13. Anijon, it is a combination of two series. 12, 13, 14 le 15. Tahian 15. Answer anidona. And question number 34 here. 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So definitely 1 by 8 tihian. Akal zelang. 1 by 8 is correct answer. B, 2, CD, B, C, D4, B, 5, CD, and B, C, 60. So, hemi numbering hi alternate letters kan ziak zela D zoa, B zoa, C tihian mo. So, definitely previous one ahian C ahian 3 omang. So, C3 kuyang and others sawan kan belangailo. B is correct answer. Now question number 36. If helmet HELMET is written as IFMNFU HIEFLMMNEFTU. So plus one can add zel chocolate apo CDHIOPCDOPLMABTUEF. So option number DIPDPMBUF. Yes. So option D is correct answer. Question number 37. A is C Sanantia. C and Q are sisters. Okay. Z is Q's mother. Z is Q's mother. Yeah. P is the son of Z. P is the son of Z. How is P related to A? P le A relation kanti chuan A nu unaupa. So maternal uncle. Option B is correct answer. Length and breadth of room are 8 le 6 anya. 8 le 6 anya. A cat run along all the four walls. Omzia chu tihian wall pakat kan siam ve may chinang. Tihemi wall anya. Okay. This is wall angin ngaila. So all the four walls and teatro heta apohen kalanga tapohen. So it means perimeter will be 14, 28. Yes, and after that finally along a diagonal in order to catch a rat. Diagonal omziachu this part and diagonal value yang zat ngani don in shiam 8 le 6 and each one. The triplet is 10 meter tapo na coveranga diagonal. How much total distance is covered by the cat? So 28 le 10 is 38. Option C is correct answer. Next question. If x means subtraction, plus means multiplication, minus means addition, then the value of the following equation. So 12 and plus means multiplication, and multiplication means subtraction, plus means multiplication 4, and minus means addition. Pathumatangin pakhat pay pahninia 12 into 2 into 4 plus 1. So 12 8 is 96 plus 1, 97. Option D is correct. Matthew told his friend John, pointing to a photograph, her father is the only son of my mother. Ani chuan Matthew anu mother. Only son chu Matthew abok ni dona, and her father. So Matthew ahi appa ni don. Mo she kanti mayang apoilo. So father ani don. So Matthew hi a father ni chuan afanu hi Matthew's daughter. Option B is correct answer. Now question number 41. The sequence of alphabet is reversed. Which one of the following will be 14th letter? Til patan shiyanga 13th letter ka a reverse anitrin from the back. So 13 M ania, so definitely reverse apo M bok anidon. Okay. Vana is 7 rank ahead of Mapuya in a class of 39. If Mapuya rank is 17th from the last, so 17th on each one, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24th na Vana omdona. What is Vana rank from the start? So Vana Nuaya 23 and each one 39 in 23 pay is 16th is correct answer. Question number 43 to 45. Okay. There is a family of 6 members. Member A, B, C, D, E, and F. A and B are married couple. A and B are married couple. A plus le minus kanzia kang. B is B being the female member. Yes, female member. Yeah. B is the daughter-in-law of F. Daughter-in-law of F umziayu apasal nule pa daughter-in-law nidona tihian. D is the only son of C. D is only son of C. And E is the sister of D. E is the sister of D. F's husband is not alive. Okay, F husband is not alive. C is A's brother. Arrangement so C is A's brother. And D is only son of C and Tivangin plus kanzia kanga gender spoke kanzia vector kanzia kim vector and 6 members in a katni tumli nga ruk yes semi poi kanzia zoto. How is F related to C? F related to C and each one F E A nu ania, so definitely A and C are brother, so C nu anidon F. How many female are there in the family? Female negative katni thum 3 is correct answer. How is F related to A? F le A having a relation F A nu ania. So D is correct. Question number 46. Mirror image. Mirror image हम जे चोई हेला माहन mirror कंदा दोना A Juan 4101 Tihian I A R A T. So hemi chu diklo ngala topa n om don lewa these two are nge dik zog don. A is a one om thelo. Only D is correct answer. So 4 is correct. Question number 47. Hemi pang parang do here. Hemi can move patang heta oma chuan heta om day. So half movement, 1.5 movement. Chupo a counterclockwise. 1.5 movement counterclockwise. Now this one, white one here, half movement, 1.5, but this time clockwise. So half, so 1.5 movement, that is clockwise. Same hemipoi can move anga. This one first, anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. Half, 1.5. So tihian dona. Now hemi clockwise direction. Half movement, 1.5. So tihian don. Ako ibar hinge. Option C is correct answer. Option C is correct answer. Next. Which of the following diagram represents a country, state, le district, country chunga state and state chunga district? Option C is correct. Question number 49. A statement followed by two courses of actions numbered 1 and 2 is given below. Describe which of the courses of action logically follows and give answers is.